So you live in the city of Irvine and you need help with a Ford. Why should I go to Francisco's Automotive? Let me give you multiple reasons. First, my name is Francisco, Francisco's Automotive. I've been in business since 1985. I've been working on Ford since the early 80s. I saw them coming. I used to work mainly on German cars, but in the early 80s, I decided to work on Fords. Ford has come a long way. Established in 1908, they're the only American company that didn't take a bailout. They stood on their own, they're doing strong. They make the F-150, incredible machine. They make the Ford Fusion. The gas mileage is tremendous. They well put together, luxury car. I mean, they make millions and millions of them so that they are easy to work on. Most of us know how to work on them. Now, you got the Ford Explorer, the small SUV, and then you have Mustang. Ooh, Mustang. Mustang has been, well, I mean, the sports car has always been the sports car. So now, let me show you a little bit of equipment and tell you a little bit about why you should come to Francisco's Automotive. If you live in the city of Irvine or anywhere else in Orange County. Now, when I first originally started working on Ford, this is called like a breakout box. I used to hook the harness from the computer, and I used to bypass the computer, and I could simulate anything on a car. It used to take me about an hour and a half just to hook up the equipment, and so I could start testing. But I was able to test, and I saw technology coming, so I invested in technology. I always have invested in technology. This is a scanner from the 90s. It's an old Ford. I still bring it out once in a while, but now we are on a computer-based, laptop-based technology. And even now, all the information on the newer cars is kept on the cloud. I don't know which cloud it is, but it's kept in the clouds. We are able to reprogram computers, we can reflash computers, we can, anything that is required to do a Ford, I can do it. Now, I have the technology, some special equipment. This is just one of the pieces of equipment to do timing chains on a Ford. A lot of people don't invest in this. I invest in equipment, and I have the proper equipment and the proper trained guys. I have a fear that I train a guy and he leaves me, and it's overcome by a bigger fear that I don't train him and he stays. So all my guys go to school, they're all trained in electrical. I send to school a couple of weeks a year, evening classes, I pay for it, and I compensate them to go into school. So it is very important that you give them the proper equipment, the proper knowledge, and the proper support system. I got multiple support systems in here. This is my shop. It's a 10-bay automotive repair shop. I'm open Monday through Friday, 7 to 6, and Saturdays, 8 to 4. You will find me most of the time here. I'm the owner, I'm up front. My partner, Leah, one of us is always here. You can call me with any of your questions. You are gonna buy a car, you're gonna sell a car. You know, I'm in the middle of making some videos on how to buy a car. And it's very important that you make the right decision there. Pick my brain. I've been doing this since 1975. I managed a pretty big shop from 78 to 85. I used to own 2 shops. I sold one, I moved the other one here. Pick my brain, I got a little bit of knowledge. I will pass you the knowledge. You're gonna teach your kids how to drive a car, a little bit of advice, take them to a parking lot and make them do figure 8 backwards. Very important that they know how to handle the vehicle. God forbid you get in an accident. My advice is to find a really good body shop. There's like automotive repair shops. You got hundreds of them all over the place. I got customers that pass 100 mechanic shops to get to me. Same thing with a body shop. You're gonna pick a body shop, let me help you pick it. Somebody that works for us does not work for the insurance companies. And I need you to call me with any of your questions, 714-375-2661. Again, if you live in the city of Irvine, we'll give you a ride home, we pick you up, we'll give you a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. A lot of reasons why you should come to me. Thank you for watching the video.